Protect your country. They wanted it to be a toxic concept. But
oh, god damn!
now it's changing.
What the?
Enthusiast over at CNN.
Wow!
Americans love
Ay, Dios mío. ¡Ah! What the? Oh my gosh. We almost died. Holy.
I yelled so loud everyone in the room could hear. All eyes turned to me, then to her. That did it. I got my orange vest and was out of there faster than anyone else that day. Like I said, neighborhood security literally means patrolling.
Idiot.
It's a quasi-military outfit.
Local representatives.
You don't have a light, 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 you don't
have a light. It's green. The f are you doing?
What are you doing?
He was about to get over.
Woo! The
You stupid son.
Manual recording will now start. Video locked.
Go get him. Oh, they painted their water tower.
You dragon lady.
Current loop video is now locked.
Oh, that hurt.
Seatbelts work.
whoa! In hell. That is ridiculous.
That's dangerous.
Gegangen haben sie Monroe sehr früh in Office, das haben sie halt noch ein Ziel gemacht. Aber gut kann man dann zurückgehen später und sagen, kann ich nicht machen, sicher morgen zu gehen. Wow! Wow!
Ya la estás haciendo. Ajá.
case of emergency.
That is because you are too weak. If you want to help them in the future, you have to become strong yourself.
Vi bit her lips and nodded. She wanted to help her mother, but she simply had no power to do so at the moment.
Okay, what are you doing?
Back on Fei Fei's side, the Scarlet Bear saw the illusion that helped it only escape disappearing. The side effects of doing such a thing, the bear couldn't care anymore. At the same time, Fei Fei was unconscious, so she wouldn't be able to hold on the bear.
Oh, yes!
However, the Scarlet Bear gritted its teeth and helped her with its spiritual energy. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, yes!
The Scarlet Bear couldn't avoid all the Diamond Golem's ranged attack anymore. Still, as a divine beast, he immediately understood what the Scarlet Bear was doing, so he wasn't in a hurry. He knew that the bear would run out of power very soon. However, it was then that he noticed a black-purple streak of light moving straight at him.
Get my way.
However,
So, is that boy? Oh, that oyster.
That's all. Watch him.
What are you doing? No, just pull out like that.
No, don't do it. You don't give a crap.
Về ăn.
Maddie sent a Reddit link from the Rugrats community on Reddit. The Rugrats go to Washington. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What would you like to say to Maddie?
We'll check out that link when I get home.
It says, we'll check out that link when I get home. Send it.
Send.
Done.
Peter opened his mouth in surprise as 24 arrowheads, continuing on to snap against the stone wall behind him. Several.
Cell said, "Are they sweet? I like them." Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What would you like to say to Cell?
Mother almost ran me off the road. Tried pushing into my lane without double checking where the he was going.
It says, Mother almost ran me off the road.
Double it with camera,